All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about the difference between old school technicians and new school technicians. And we're talking information. I was talking to Paul and upstairs James, and we were sitting there shooting the, BSing about past experiences, talking about various things, timing chains, timing belts, yada, 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 tips we've learned and that kind of stuff. And I remembered back to my much younger days when I was a young technician, and there was two types of technicians back then. I'm generalizing, but there was, as far as information, there was the guy that always wanted to help, was quick to give you advice, quick to give you tips. I didn't work with any of those guys. I was that guy. The other group was the secret keepers. They knew all the tricks. They would not share them for anything. They could do a job in half the time of anybody else. Unless you watched them do it, you had no idea how they got that job done that fast, because they would not tell you. They wouldn't give you tips. They wouldn't give you advice. I mean, like you're running into a brick wall on figuring something out. They go, oh yeah, that sucks. Walk off. Now is a very, very different time. Now you've got information sources like Diagnostic Network. Back in the day, IATN. You've got YouTube. I mean, there's tons of really good automotive diagnostic channels and just repair channels that share some of those tips. Back when I was doing it, there was nothing. You had to figure it out. You had to figure out the faster way to do it without the internet. I know it's anarchy back then. But back then we didn't have the internet. We had, service manuals with written words in them, that you had to page through, and there was always fingerprints right over where you needed to read. Yes, I'm that old. Shut up. Nowadays, you can go on YouTube and, get advice from hundreds of techs. I mean, there's so many great diagnostic channels. I've done videos on all the, people I've talked about, great diagnostic channels that I've, featured on this channel. The grandfather of all of them is, of course, Scanner Danner. He was the first real diagnostic guy I saw on YouTube. Paul's an awesome teacher. Some people complain because he's long-winded, but he's definitely helped an entire generation improve their diagnostic skills, me included. There's guys like Billy, who literally credits Scanner Danner for getting him to advance his diagnostic skills when he worked at the dealer and he didn't really need to. He, went to Vision. He came work here. The whole reason he came to work here was to expand his diagnostic skills. That doesn't happen without people doing this kind of work. That's part of the reason why I started my channel. No, I don't do diagnostics here, but I encourage people in this industry. That's what I do. All those resources are available to you. Because even if you work in a shop with secret keepers, you have so many more resources because people put out those videos. You've got guys that, brought up an entire industry. I'm not saying I'm one of those guys. I will still bow down to, Paul. And in case you don't know, Scanner Danner's real name is Paul. His brother is Danner. It's named his real name. But anyway, Paul and so many others have tried to bring up the industry, tried to educate, tried to encourage people to get training. Be thankful. There's so much more information available to you than when I started working on cars. There was the Chilton books. Yeah, good luck with that. So as always, Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.